Welcome to Learning Tech from the back of my van. Outside we've got some rain just coming into flooding and we're on a bit of a slant today. This is Cursor, a code editor supercharged with AI features. I've never used it before, so today I'm gonna use it by asking it, how do I use you and how can we build something together? I'm not here to discuss which AI editor is best. My aim is to move forwards as quickly as possible, and that means building stuff. Simple stuff, bad stuff, because that's the good stuff. If I started with a big complicated project, I wouldn't understand the code and I'd have to blindly just trust the AI, which I'm not gonna do just yet. We need to get to know each other first, and even then, never trust AI, right? So let's open up Cursor. It's this one here, Cursor. Here we go. This is based on VSCode. So on the left, you've just got the normal folder, Explorer. Then at the bottom, you've got terminal, output, the console basically. Okay, it's VSCode with extra buttons. And where's the AI magic? AI is over here. So we can add in different bits of code and files, whole folders even, docs. As for this, we've got some different modes here, agent mode, ask mode, manual. Okay, so let's go to the ask one. Also, the model is set to auto. Auto, is that the best setting? I don't know, so it can select between all of these. I'm gonna leave that on auto for now. Hello Cursor, I'm new here. I just got you. Please give me an intro. Okay, it's pretty fast. Hey, welcome to Cursor. I'm your AI coding assistant. Think of me as your pair programming partner. Here's what I can do for you. Read and edit code, debug issues, build features, refactor code, answer questions. I work directly in your editor so I can see what you're working on and provide contextual help. Just tell me what you need. What are you working on? Well, let's build okay, we've got to start simple here. Basic React page. Okay, so this is just okay, so it's just giving me the files here in the chat, the JSX, CSS. Apply, what does this do? Apply to app. The editor could not be opened because the file was not found. Oh, okay. Oh, right, okay, I'm gonna start a new chat. Okay, we'll go to the agent mode for this. Let's create a React page. I'll help you create a React page. Let me start by exploring the current workspace. What's PWD again? Print working directory, that is. I see we're in the home directory saying npx create React app, my React app. Okay, run it. So it's creating the React app. Is that the best way to do it? I don't know. Added all these packages, blah, blah, blah. Okay, so it's saying npm starts the server. We suggest you begin by typing cd. Yeah, so we want to cd my React app. So we're going to the oh, it's not there. The React app's being created. Now we navigate to the project directory, cd my React app. Yeah, we check the current structure. Okay, I'm gonna set this to auto run so it doesn't ask me every time. I just give it free rein to execute the terminal commands. What's going on? Accept? Okay. I'm in developer. It's actually created this in the home folder. How do I go back to the home folder? Ah, that's cool. So I've got a little AI helper thing in the terminal here. I'm really bad in the terminal. I don't even know how to go back to the home folder. So let's have a look. Go to home folder, cd squiggle. There we go. Confirm, edit, accept. So now it's creating the app.js file. And here it is up here. If we go to the directory here it is. It'll be in source, app.js. Okay, cool. Let me update the CSS to make it look modern and beautiful. Now it's doing the CSS, accept all. So are we actually running here? npm start. No, what's going on? Why can't we start? Okay, let's say to view the page, go to localhost 3000. Nothing's running there. Okay, let's, how to run it. The React app is already running. Let me check the status. It's not already running, is it? God, this really shows that I don't know what I'm doing. I know what we'll do. I think we can just take a screenshot, drag that screenshot in there, not working. I see the issue. Server isn't, oh, yes. Whoa, it's not bad. That's a React page, cool, okay. So what was the issue? I see the issue, the server isn't running because we're not in the correct directory. Okay, fair enough. Development server is responding. Okay, here we go. This is, yeah. That does nothing, this does nothing. Little form there. Created like a structure of a basic homepage. Fair enough, it took the initiative to style it and structure it a little bit. Let's have a look in here. I should open that folder, shouldn't I, here? Folder my React app. So I can see the files. So what have we got in here? Source. Okay, it's created the app CSS, app.js. Why is that JS and not JSX? let's ask, why are the files JS not JSX? So when you ask something in here and you don't add any context, what is the default things that it can see? It must be able to see the whole project when there's no context added, can it? Yeah, because look, it says what it read. It read app.js, it read package.json. The files are using JS instead of JSX because JSX extension is optional in Create React App. Anyway, I learned something there, so I can see this is going to be really easy to quickly learn new things. Okay, oh, that's cool. Whatever active tab there is, it automatically reflects that in the, very good. So let's make this button do something. So at the moment, we've got this CTA button here. It's not linked up to anything, so let's make this do something. We use the agent. When you click on the button in this button here, the hero section, play a random motivational quote related to learning tech. Yeah, okay, go. Blah, blah, blah. God, it moves so quickly. Okay, so it's created the changes in here. What's this saying? Wow, it's going so quick. This is saying it's made 30 new lines in app.js. It's removed one line here. And then, oh look, you can expand it. So you can view the whole thing in there. Okay. What's this one? Oh, this is saying there's 3 blocks of code. So this is just navigating changes or the additions. Okay. And then in app.css, 29 new lines of code. It's done it. Let's just accept it using state management. And then it's added this show random quote, generating random number. And then it's just using that to index this array of fixed quotes here. All right, let's have a look. Click get started. Okay, so it's adding the quote here. Cool, okay, that's good. Where is that button? Get started, let's just change that. Motivate me. Motivate me, here we go. Motivate me, motivate me, motivate me, motivate me. Okay, so yeah, that works, doesn't it? I'm just thinking as well, like looking at all this React, I understand the basics. It'd be good to have a little primer though. So what if I said, create a new page with a React primer tutorial demonstrating the fundamental basics of React. We'll do that on a new page. Go! I think it's quick. Someone will probably say it's slow, but that's bloody quick. I'm on mobile data as well, in a van. So what are you doing? Look at that. React primer.js, 330 new lines. Here we go, look at that. Wow. One big block. Now it's creating the CSS file. So much faster than me. I bet there's a human that could beat that. Look at that for speed typing. It's just doing it all, isn't it? Ooh, look, we're getting some problems here. Ah, the problems are gone. It knows it all, it knows everything, doesn't it? Bloody hell. To me, this is just really impressive. Ah, look at that. It even created a menu there for us. It's got good initiative. Wow, that's pretty nice, isn't it? Learn the fundamental basics of React development. It's giving the little code snippet and then it's giving the live example. Can I edit the code snippet? No. Okay, but it's pretty nice. Components, reusable UI pieces, got props, and then a little live demo, state, event handling, click me, button clicked, nice. Conditional rendering with these logical operators, yeah, cool. That's lists and keys. These are common like patterns used in React. And I guess you can completely tailor this tutorial to your own level, but also maybe to your own interests. So it relates it to things you already know to help you learn better. Yeah, actually, what would it do? Okay, edit tutorial. So everything relates to diesel engines. Do it now. Okay, let's accept all. It's added a load of new stuff there. Let's go back to the page. React Primer Diesel Engine Edition. Learn React fundamentals through diesel engine analogies. That's exactly what I wanted. Engine blueprints. Oh shit, the light's gone off. It's getting dark out there. Let's get this light turned up. Components are like engine parts, reusable pieces that work together to build your engine. Yeah, okay. Yeah, I guess so. That's pretty good. All right, that was all pretty straightforward. I didn't really have much trouble. Everything was quite intuitive. When I was learning this stuff, it would have taken like a whole day because I'd be constantly going to Google, going to the JavaScript docs and things like that, scrolling through. Even just after this simple thing, I can see what the hype is about. I know I've just scratched the surface. So after 5 minutes, I got a random quote generator running. It's not the best, but it does work and it's good. I've got a bit of a feel for Cursor. This is a big step. And Cursor does feel a little bit like there's someone on the other end, like who actually knows what they're doing. But I can see how you could probably lose track of things quite quickly. And maybe there's like two ways of using Cursor. One, knowing how everything works and checking and understanding everything that it edits and creates. And two, not knowing anything and just putting all your trust into Cursor and just letting it have free reign. And there's a lot of problems with that, especially down the line, because you're not really in control of what you're building. So I want to use Cursor to help me learn this stuff as well. I don't want to just blindly let it run through all this stuff. I want to get an understanding of what it's doing. For now, that's good enough for me. I made a start. I got something running. Quite honestly, I'm not sure how these videos will go. I don't really know, and I don't really know if this video is useful to anyone, but it's useful to me because I've just learned how to do the editing and the screen capture stuff, and I've made my first step into the world of AI coding. I think it'll get more exciting. Let me know what kind of videos you want to see. I mean, all right, yeah. Thanks, Cursor. Good night. Always, you got to be nice to the AI, I think. Okay, bye.